In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Discord not opening on your PC. Now the way that we can fix this is by deleting some stuff, so let's get straight into it. First you want to come down here and search for run, type in %appdata%, press OK, and find your Discord folder. Now from in here we want to delete cache, code cache, and also GPU cache. You can hold down your control button and select all, and then simply press delete. Now if this pops up, it basically means that we have Discord open somewhere, so come down here and search for Task Manager. In Task Manager choose Details, click anywhere and press D to find Discord. Enter task and then process. Now let's look if we have any other with D. No, we don't. Perfect, so now we should be able to delete cache and the other ones. There we go. Now try and relaunch Discord and see if this fixes the issue. If it doesn't, what we can try is right click on Discord, Properties, come to Compatibility, and select Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and also run this program as an administrator. Now after you've done all of this, you should be able to open Discord, press yes when there's a pops up, and it will download the new folders once again. Now just let it be for a little bit and your Discord should open up very soon. And that's basically how you can fix it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.